In a world that's constantly evolving, learning and training have taken on a new form, microlearning. Imagine, in the corporate world, new employees seamlessly on board, learning company culture and policies in engaging short bursts. That's microlearning for you. Let's see how microlearning can be used to train employees across different industries. In healthcare, medical professionals stay updated on the latest advancements in treatments through quick, convenient modules. In manufacturing, safety is paramount. Microlearning can be used to give workers quick and effective safety training that saves lives. Microlearning materials can be used to train IT professionals about new processes and new tech skills. Microlearning can also be used for cybersecurity awareness training to keep organizations secure. Microlearning modules can be a perfect fit to train external employees about new products and services. Microlearning courses can be used to train employees on finance topics such as budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. These are just a few industries that can leverage this bite-sized learning approach. But remember, microlearning is everywhere, enhancing performance and shaping the workforce of tomorrow. Scan the QR code to get in touch about our microlearning services. Subscribe to our channel to never miss another video from us.